So before we can filter the material in our sample, the silicon dioxide and sodium chloride mixture, we need to make sure that we have the mass of the filter paper. That's called for on our data sheet. So I'm going to place the filter paper. I want to make sure that the balance is zeroed first. Make sure that it balances completely. I'm going to use the fine adjustment knob on the end. Okay, and it appears to be zeroed. So I'm going to place the filter paper on the balance, and I'm going to take this up to 1 gram. Though I suspect it will be significantly less than that. Yeah, at 1 gram, this end is much heavier, so I'll push that back and take this up to about 1/2 gram. And at this point, the filter paper is the heavier end. So I can move this up. I'll move it up to about 0.7, and we're still not balanced. The filter paper is still a little bit heavier. So I'm going to move that to 0.8, and now the beam is a little heavier, so I'm going to move this back just a tiny bit. And I would say that we have balance. I will take an image of the filter paper, of the balance with the filter paper, so that you can record that in your data sheet.